Well, depending on the day, you come in and there's usually prescribed work for you when you enter the building. Basically busy work, but when a line goes down, you jump on it and you follow the prints, follow the logic, and find problems.
Engineering, typically, not always, depending on the scope of the job, how big the job is. So you may just be working with yourself, essentially, but normally the job has been requested by, it may have started off, the request came from an operator, and then that goes through to engineering, and then it comes back down from engineering to us. So we'll do the install or the modification.
Well, like you said, there's not a lot of maintenance to a PLC system. Basically, it's the electrician's job to check connections and cleanliness in the cabinet, filter changes, so it's up to us.
Other electricians typically, depending on again, how big the issue is, but and you know how imperative it is that the line be back up. Sometimes, and with some pieces of equipment, they're not that concerned how long it takes. I mean, I guess they are concerned somewhat, but the more expensive piece of equipment and the ones that generate the most revenue, they want the downtime to be very, very minimal. So we may have 3 or 4 electricians working on one problem just to speed up the troubleshooting.
And depending on the depth of the problem, sometimes we'll call in engineering to look at the PLC logic while we're dealing with the field wire.
And if things are really bad, depending on what it is, you may have to call in a contractor. Certain drives that we looked at earlier, we can only go so far, and there's going to be some stuff that really they only have the knowledge for. So